What makes a successful Xrpl project?
The XRP ledger, Xrpl, provides a powerful foundation for launching decentralized finance, DeFi protocols, NFT projects, payment solutions, and tokenized assets.
However, not all projects succeed. The difference between a thriving Xrpl project and a failed one comes down to several key factors. Here's what separates the winners from the failures in the Xrpl ecosystem. 1. A clear and valuable use case. A successful Xrpl project solves a real problem and has a clear purpose. Ask yourself, does this project provide real utility beyond speculation? How does it leverage Xrpl's unique features, speed, cost efficiency, decentralized exchange, NFTs, etc.? Would people still use this project even if they weren't making money? Example of strong Xrpl use cases. 1. On-demand liquidity, ODL, solving cross-border payments with XRP. 2. Tokenized real-world assets, bringing real estate, commodities, and equities onto Xrpl. 3. DeFi and AM protocols, enabling decentralized finance without high gas fees. 4. NFT marketplaces, leveraging Xrpl's built-in NFT functionality for fast, low-cost transactions. Pro tip: if your project doesn't offer something new or improve an existing system, it will struggle. 2. Strong tokenomics and sustainable growth. Many Xrpl projects fail because their tokenomics are flawed. They either inflate too quickly, lack demand, or fail to provide long-term incentives. Key elements of successful tokenomics: scarcity and demand. What makes people want to hold or use your token? Utility: does your token have real use cases, staking, governance, payments, etc.? Fair distribution: no unfair early allocations or centralization. Inflation control: no excessive supply minting that devalues the token. Revenue model: how does the project sustain itself without relying on constant token sales? Example: a project that generates real revenue through fees, partnerships, or utility-based demand will last longer than one that relies only on hype. Pro tip: avoid pump-and-dump models. Focus on long-term sustainability. 3. A strong and engaged community. An Xrpl project is only as strong as its community. If no one is using or supporting the project, it will fail. How to build a winning community. Transparency: regular updates, AMAs, and open communication. Engagement: Twitter, X, Telegram, Discord, Reddit, and real-world meetups. Education: teaching people why your project matters. Guides, blogs, explainer videos. Governance: letting the community vote on project decisions. Incentives: airdrops, rewards, staking, and referral programs. Example: projects like Xrpl Punks and XRP Cafe succeeded by building loyal, engaged user bases that actively support and promote them. Pro tip: if your community only cares about price speculation, they'll leave once the hype fades. Give them real value. 4. Utility beyond just trading. Successful Xrpl projects create real demand for their tokens through functional use cases. Ways to add utility. Payments: can the token be used for real transactions? Staking and rewards: can users earn benefits for holding or using the token? Governance: can holders vote on key project decisions? NFT or metaverse integration: does it have a role in Web3 ecosystems? Interoperability: can it be used across different platforms and blockchains? Example: XRP Healthcare, XRPH, allows users to pay for medical services with XRP-based assets, making it more than just a speculative token. Pro tip: if your token only exists for trading, its lifespan will be short. 5. Real-world adoption and partnerships. Successful Xrpl projects actively work on business partnerships, aligning with enterprises that can use Xrpl technology. Adoption in real-world use cases, payments, gaming, DeFi, supply chain, etc. Developer integrations, allowing other builders to use the protocol. Cross-chain functionality, connecting with other blockchain networks. Example: Ripple's partnerships with financial institutions show how Xrpl technology is being adopted beyond just the crypto space. Pro tip: adoption equals longevity. If businesses and users rely on your project, it will survive market downturns. 6. Security, transparency, and decentralization. Many blockchain projects fail due to poor security and lack of transparency. How to build a secure and trustworthy project. Audited smart contracts to prevent hacks and exploits. Open source code, so developers can verify the project's integrity. Decentralization, ensuring no single entity has full control. Clear governance models, so the community has decision-making power. Regulatory compliance, so legal risks don't shut down the project.
Example: Sologenic, Solo, thrives because of its clear governance, transparency, and security-focused development.
Pro tip: projects that operate in secrecy or have no clear governance usually fail. 7. Adaptability and innovation. The crypto space evolves fast. XRPL projects must be ready to adapt to new trends. Successful projects stay ahead by adopting new XRPL upgrades, e.g., AMMs, hooks, XLS30, embracing new technology like AI, NFTs, and tokenized assets, expanding to other chains through interoperability, listening to community feedback and improving continuously. Example: OnXRP started as a basic project but expanded into NFTs, a DEX, and a full ecosystem, keeping it relevant. Pro tip: projects that fail to innovate get left behind. 8. Strong team and leadership. A successful XRPL project needs a skilled, dedicated team.
Signs of a strong team: experienced developers who can build secure and scalable solutions.
Good leadership. Founders with a clear long-term vision. Marketing experts to grow adoption and awareness. Community managers to keep engagement high. Red flags: anonymous teams with no track record, poor communication or disappearing developers. No technical talent, just hype marketing. Example: Ledger City has a team that actively builds and engages with users, keeping their project strong. Pro tip: a project is only as strong as the people behind it. The final takeaway: what separates success from failure? Successful XRPL projects solve real-world problems with clear utility, have sustainable tokenomics that don't rely on hype, build engaged communities that believe in the project's vision, offer long-term value beyond just trading speculation,
Prioritize security, decentralization, and transparency.
adapt to market changes, and innovate over time. If a project focuses only on short-term hype, it will fail.
The winners build real ecosystems that last. Do you want to build an XRPL project?
Focus on the fundamentals, not just hype. Guide to achieving a successful XRPL project. Building a successful project on the XRP ledger, XRPL, requires strategic planning, strong development, and community engagement. This guide provides a step-by-step roadmap to help entrepreneurs, developers, and investors create and scale an XRPL-based project that lasts. 1. Define a clear vision and problem-solving approach. Key questions to answer. What problem does your project solve? Why is XRPL the best blockchain for it? Who is your target audience? How will your project generate long-term value? Example: if you're launching an XRPL-based payment solution, your vision could be a fast, low-cost cross-border payment system using XRP to eliminate high remittance fees. Action steps. 1. Research similar projects on XRPL to find a unique angle. 2. Write a white paper or a one-page summary explaining the idea. 3. Get feedback from the XRPL community and potential users. 2. Design strong tokenomics. If your project involves a token, it needs well-thought-out tokenomics. Best practices for token design, utility. Define the token's purpose, governance, payments, staking, etc. Scarcity. Avoid excessive supply inflation. Rewards and incentives. Give users a reason to hold and use the token. Fair launch. Avoid too much supply going to insiders or early investors. Sustainable revenue model. Ensure the project generates real income, not just token sales.
Example: a project like Sologenic, Solo, has real utility in tokenizing stocks and ETFs.
Action steps. 1. Define total supply and distribution plan.
2. Consider staking or buyback mechanisms.
3. Get tokenomics reviewed by an expert. 3. Build the core technology. Your project will need a strong technical foundation. Essential tech components: XRPL integration. Use XRP Ledger's features like built-in DEX, AMM, and NFTs. Smart contracts, hooks and clawback features. Automate transactions and enforce rules. Front-end UI. Build a user-friendly website or app. Back-end systems. Manage transactions, user accounts, and business logic. Security and audits. Prevent exploits and vulnerabilities. Example: if launching a DeFi platform, smart contracts can manage staking rewards and liquidity pools. Action steps. 1. Set up a development team or hire XRPL experienced coders. 2. Use XRP Ledger SDKs and APIs to connect with the blockchain. 3. Deploy on DevNet first before launching on mainnet. 4. Build a community and market your project. A strong community is critical for success. Best practices for community building: transparency. Regular updates via Twitter, X, Discord, and Telegram. Education. Teach users how to use your project. Guides, videos, AMAs. Engagement. Respond to questions, run contests, and create interactive content. Airdrops and rewards. Incentivize users to participate.
Influencer and partner collaborations. Work with key Xrpl figures and YouTubers.
Example: XRP Cafe, NFT marketplace, grew by actively engaging with NFT creators and collectors. Action steps. 1. Set up a Telegram, Discord, or Twitter X account. 2. Run an AMA Ask Me Anything session to build trust. 3. Create an educational blog or YouTube channel explaining the project. 5. Get listed and build adoption. Your project needs visibility and liquidity to succeed. Ways to boost adoption. Exchange listings. Get on Xrpl Dex, Bitroo, Uphold, or Gate.io. Partnerships. Collaborate with other Xrpl projects and businesses.
Real-world use cases. Allow your token to be spent or staked.
Cross-chain expansion. Explore Flare Network, Ethereum, or Binance Smart Chain for interoperability. Example: Xrpl wallet integration helps projects reach a wider audience. Action steps. 1. Apply for listings on Xrpl decentralized exchanges. 2. Reach out to wallet providers like XUM for integrations. 3. Connect with payment gateways to enable real-world utility.
6. Ensure security and compliance best practices for a secure Xrpl project. Smart contract audits. Prevent hacks and exploits.
KYC and AML compliance. Stay within legal boundaries. Multi-signature wallets. Improve fund security.
Open source code optional. Increase trust and transparency.
Example: XRP Healthcare, XRPH, follows regulatory guidelines to ensure compliance. Action steps. 1. Get a third-party audit before launch. 2. Set up multi-signature wallets for treasury management. 3. Stay updated with global crypto regulations. 7. Adapt and scale for long-term growth. How to future-proof your project. Adopt Xrpl upgrades, e.g. AMM, hooks, XLS30. Expand features and utility over time. Engage in cross-chain collaboration. Listen to user feedback and improve.
Example: Ledger City started as a visual Xrpl explorer, but expanded into a full virtual world with NFT ownership.
Action steps. 1. Regularly update your roadmap and white paper. 2. Gather user feedback and adapt to trends. 3. Consider AI, gaming, or metaverse integrations. Final takeaways for Xrpl project success. Follow these 7 steps to achieve success. 1. Define a strong vision with real utility. 2. Design sustainable tokenomics to prevent pump and dump issues. 3. Develop secure and scalable tech with smart contracts and APIs. 4. Build a loyal community through transparency and education. 5. Get listed and create adoption strategies. 6. Prioritize security and compliance to avoid legal issues. 7. Stay adaptable and innovate with new trends in tech. By following this guide, you can build a successful Xrpl project that stands the test of time. Advanced strategies for Xrpl project growth and long-term success. Once your Xrpl project is launched, the next challenge is ensuring sustainable growth, long-term adoption, and market resilience. This section dives deeper into advanced strategies to scale your project, improve user engagement, and remain competitive in the evolving blockchain space. 8. Expand ecosystem partnerships. A successful Xrpl project should integrate with other platforms and form strategic alliances. Best partnership strategies. DeFi integrations. Connect with Xrpl's automated market makers, AMMs, and liquidity pools. NFT and gaming collaboration. Partner with Xrpl-based NFT projects or Web3 games. Real-world businesses. Enable businesses to accept your token as payment. Cross-blockchain expansion. Use Flare Network or Ethereum bridges to increase reach. Example: Sologenic, Solo, collaborates with financial institutions to tokenize real-world assets. Action steps. 1. Reach out to other Xrpl projects for co-marketing and partnerships. 2. Integrate with Flare, Ethereum, or Binance Smart Chain for multi-chain compatibility. 3. Offer business incentives to onboard real-world merchants and service providers. 9. Strengthen your token's market position. How to improve token stability and growth. Liquidity management. Ensure your token has enough liquidity on Xrpl's DEX. Staking and yield programs. Encourage long-term holding. Deflationary mechanisms. Implement burn strategies or buybacks. Institutional adoption. Attract businesses or organizations to use your token. Example: XRP's on-demand liquidity, ODL, attracts institutions for real-world use cases. Action steps. 1. Apply for listings on more centralized exchanges, CEXs. 2. Set up reward programs for staking and liquidity providers. 3. Ensure token supply and emissions are controlled to avoid inflation. Implement governance and decentralization. Why decentralization matters. Builds trust and credibility in the Web3 community. Reduces single points of failure in leadership. Gives the community a voice in project decisions. Example: Flare Network uses decentralized governance for ecosystem decisions. Action steps. 1. Implement on-chain voting for major decisions. 2. Use multi-signature wallets for treasury management. 3. Transition to a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, over time. 11. Educate and attract institutional investors. How to gain institutional support. Publish detailed white papers and business plans. Partner with crypto-friendly VCs and investment firms. Highlight real-world use cases and adoption metrics. Ensure regulatory compliance to attract serious investors. Example: RippleNet's enterprise adoption for banking solutions. Action steps. 1. Attend blockchain conferences and investor meetups. 2. Engage with Web3 accelerators that support Xrpl projects. 3. Build a legal framework for institutional partnerships. 12. Future-proofing and adapting to market trends. How to keep your project relevant. Monitor Xrpl upgrades. Implement new features like XLS30, AMMs. Explore AI and automation. Improve efficiency with AI-powered analytics. Stay flexible. Adapt business models to new industry trends. Improve user experience, UX. Ensure seamless onboarding for Web2 users. Example: Ledger City continuously updates its metaverse experience based on user feedback. Action steps. 1. Conduct quarterly roadmap updates based on industry trends. 2. Use community feedback loops to improve features. 3. Explore Xrpl's Layer 2 solutions for scalability. Final takeaways. How to sustain long-term Xrpl project success. Build strong partnerships with Web3 and real-world businesses. Ensure liquidity, staking, and deflationary mechanisms to support your token. Adopt decentralized governance to increase transparency and user trust. Educate and attract institutional investors with clear use cases. Stay ahead of the curve by integrating new Xrpl features and technologies. By applying these strategies, your Xrpl project can thrive for years, ensuring both user adoption and long-term success.